When a user logs into Warehouse Mobility in Factory Track, they will see some or all of these icons depending on their permissions. The Warehouse Mobility transactions are split into 9 groups. These cover inbound transactions, covering receiving, put away, approvals, and so on. Inventory, covering transfers, write-on, write-off, stock adjustments, etc. Outbound transactions, covering the picking and release outbound processes. Packing, covering the transactions required to support the full packing system. Handling unit, covering the handling unit transactions available in Warehouse Mobility, such as create handling unit, link or unlink handling unit, etc. Labor transactions, covering the Warehouse Mobility transactions available to allow time to be booked against jobs. Production, allowing the user to report production against orders and operations and repetitive jobs. Utilities, which provide the user with capabilities of changing their defaults. And the Kanban system, containing the Kanban transactions specifically designed for Factory Track in the LN world.